Filipino-style chicken asado. This recipe is sweet, savory, and perfect with hot steamed rice. Let's get started. First, heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add the marinated chicken and sear both sides until lightly brown. This helps lock in the flavor and gives the chicken a beautiful color. I already marinated the chicken in soy sauce, calamansi juice, garlic, and black pepper for at least 1 hour. After searing, remove the chicken and set aside. Repeat the process. Browning the chicken. In the same pan, saute the onion, garlic, and tomato until soft and fragrant. This builds the rich base flavor of our asado sauce. Now return the chicken back into the pan. Add the tomato paste. Also the marinade sauce. Add water, star anise, bay leaf, sugar for that sweet asado flavor. Simmer for 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken becomes tender and flavorful. Once the sauce thickens, you'll get a rich, glossy chicken asado with a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. And that's it. Thank you for watching.